This video is going to go through how you can use several features in myMCPS Classroom to create your response to the discussion posts. So the first thing you're going to do is click the reply button. I want to briefly go through some of the options that you have for recording or typing your response. So first things first, if you look here at the top, you have all these options. So all of these options in the first row would format text. If you want to put an image, a video, or audio clip in, that's where this bottom row can become very useful. So this button right here that kind of looks like a video, this is the record or upload media comment options. So if you allow myMCPS Classroom or Canvas to access your microphone and webcam, you can then literally use your webcam to record yourself, or you could even record your screen while you're talking, and that will automatically embed or put the video you record right inside the discussion post reply window when you are done. Now that can take a couple minutes to upload once you finish, so just keep that in mind that that is something you can use. You can also pre-record, so if you want to, for example, share your story by telling it and record it on your cell phone as an audio file or a voice memo, you could then upload that file by hitting the Select Audio File button, and you would then be able to upload it from your computer or device that has the Canvas myMCPS Classroom app on it. You can do the same thing with a video file that is pre-recorded. So you can pre-record something and upload it, or you can record directly into the window. You would just have to enable the microphone and webcam. Now, because this includes posting a graph, you can embed an image by clicking this button here. So if you drew it in Cami, or maybe you drew it in Google Draw and you didn't take a screenshot of it and you want to just link to it, you could put a link here. If you took a screenshot, you would then go to Canvas, My Files, and then you would select Upload File to pick a file from your computer that you have taken a screenshot of. So this is how you would insert a screenshot into your discussion post. If you wanted to create your reply on YouTube, you could then embed it as a YouTube video. You could then also put anything in here from like Google Apps, like if you wanted to type up your response in a Google Doc, for example, you could then put that into Classroom by selecting it from the options. Finish recording or typing and adding images to your post as needed. You would then hit the post reply button and that would submit your response. You will not be able to see classmates' responses and stories until you've posted yours. So once you post yours, you'll then be able to see anybody else who has also submitted their work. And again, just as a reminder, your post should include a screenshot of your assigned graph and your original story, and your screenshot of your new graph that you created.